and everyone should get along. Okay, children, quiet down, quiet down. Children, I'd like to introduce our new substitute teacher for the day. His name is Mr. Tomahawk. Children, quiet down, please. Brian, don't throw that.
Shut up!
Mr. Tom will be our new substitute while Mr. Indiana is out with the president.
He's got corona!
Good luck, Mr. Tomahawk. Hi there, little boys and girls.
Fuck you!
Today we're gonna learn how to say the squirrels. But first, I'd like you to meet my friend Bob. Say hi, Bob. Bob is a big snob and lives with his mom. And he don't got a job, but orders clothes from eBay a lot. There he buys a tent, cause why not? And that's really bad for the environment. The bad thing about that is the long shipment. He's pretty stupid, a man. And one day he sits back in a dark and silent and decides to buy lots of shoes from the website store. No matter how expensive it gets, he still wants more. He just can't wait until the package arrives to his door. So he decides to pay extra, so the shipment is a lot more hardcore. That just makes the planet a lot more sicker. That just leads up to the humanity to die out a lot more quicker. It's like the planet is the bullet and we're the trigger. The Big Bang was big, but the next one might be bigger. He doesn't know that this actually pollutes a lot, but if he did, he would get really shocked. If he only knew the shoes were made by a kid is practically a slave, then he would think twice before he would shop it. But what can I say, kid? That's a whole different topic. See, children, shipment is bad. And if you don't believe me, ask your dad. And if you don't believe him, ask your mom. She told you how she buys shoes all the time. So kids, say no to planes, cause they pollute 2 times more than trains. Then there's really nothing else to say. Planes are just bad, okay? My penis is the size of a peanut. Have you seen it? Fuck no, you haven't seen it. It's the size of a peanut. Huh? Speaking of peanuts, you know what else is bad for squirrels? Plastic is the worst thing in the world. It kills all the fishes and ends up on our dishes. If I had 3 wishes, I would wish for the plastic to vanish. Meet Zach, 21 years old. After hanging out with the Kardashian at a party, he gets bold and decides to try plastic surgery. So nurse, hurry, I'm starting to worry about Zach, who now wants to be black and get breast implant. I want big boobs. You might think it's funny, but that plastic costs a lot of money. In the ocean there are estimated 200,000 tons of plastic. The companies think that is fantastic, because that is their tactic to make the animals feel hectic. Plastic for them is more lethal than our traffic. I hate it when I see a brag about a fake Gucci plastic bag that eventually ends up in an animal's stomach. Hey fish, the bird is joking, look at him. But the fish ate it too, and they think it's funny. So they're laughing at basically nothing except the plastic in their tummy. And that's the story of Zach, the plastic maniac. So don't even feed that to squirrels, cause it's bad. Children, plastic's bad. And if you don't believe me, ask your dad. And if you don't believe him, ask your mom. She'll tell you how she uses him all the time. So kids, say no to plastic, so you don't hurt all the animals. And there's really nothing else to say. Plastic is just bad, okay? And last but not least, let's find the solution. What can we do to prevent the bad thing, that is pollution? Well, we can start by buying less things, driving less cars, using less power, and use colder water in our shower. Yum yum is a great example for the plastic question. Do we really need all these packages around the flavors? Can we be good role models for our neighbors? The Euro? Yes, kid, and let's admit that the planet is kinda shit. Mr. Tom, what do you mean by that? It's simple, Brad. There are kids starving while we get more fat. The production and making meat pollutes a lot.
I wanna be weak
and the animals were fed and raised just to get shot. We could try to let less animals die and show that our IQ is pretty high.
Science.
See, polluting is bad, it's a common fact. But your mom and dad know that that's all that I'm good at. But don't be me, cause when you grow up, you should let the animals free. See, children, polluting is bad. And if you don't believe me, ask your dad. And if you don't believe him, ask your mom.
That's right.
She'll tell you how she pollutes all the time.
She does.
So kids, say no to polluting.
Just say no.
Because that's similarly bad as shooting.
Yes, sir.
Then there's really nothing else to say.
Sing along.
Polluting is just bad, okay? Come on, children, clap along.
Shut up.
Sing along,
Suck my
children.
motherfucking dick.
Smoke is just bad. Planes are just bad.
This girl is gonna sue me.
So don't eat meat.
I don't wanna be weakened.
So there'll be more for me.
Ham. God damn it. Plastic straws killed the turtle. The planet is fucked up right now. Yeah.
What the fuck?